Our speaker is Darlene Markworth, DTM times 2. Her speech is in Pathways, Engaging Humor, Level 4 elective, Building a Social Media Presence. Her speech, Madam Timer, is 5 to 7 minutes. The title of her speech is Growing My Channel Cooking Scallops. This project involves learning how to grow social media presence. Darlene has had a YouTube channel for several years. It's consistent mostly of gardening and cooking and showing off the kitty cats, which their names are Buttface Sweetie Pie and Buttface Button. This speech will show an example of a video that can be uploaded to YouTube. Consistent uploads helps the channel to grow. Interesting topics also helps the channel to grow. Please enjoy as Darlene shows us how to cook scallops like she would if she were making a YouTube video. Welcome, Darlene. Yay!
All right. Making a YouTube video is, in order to grow the channel, is something you need to do a lot of. That means that I don't just make a video every once in a while, and I don't just make videos when my clocks are being silent, because it happens to be the top of the hour. My clocks are all ringing. And so you will have to listen to me, clocks and all. Well, I am going to show you how I make scallops. So let's go ahead and do that. Today we are going to cook some North Atlantic sea scallops. Yum. First, I'm making sure that they're not holding a lot of liquid, although they're still a little tad bit frozen, so they're going to throw out some liquid as we cook them. The breading is flour and paprika. Make sure that the breading is all the way around the scallop. I'm going to warm up some avocado oil in my pan. My heat is on high until this gets nice and hot. Once it gets hot, I will start putting the scallops in, and then I will turn it down to medium. About halfway through, I will flip them over, and it won't take long, and they will be done. put the lid on for a little while to help them cook through faster. Okay, put the I will have to do some editing there. Okay, we're going to have Jim take them out of the pan and put them on the plate. Thank you. Thank you, Jim.
You're welcome.
I have another batch to cook that I put, they're a little bit smaller, and there's more of them. So I put the breading in a Ziploc and put these in the Ziploc and shook it around so that they're all breaded, and then I'll get them cooked up also. I got them flipped over. And I believe they are just about ready. I turned the stove off, so the burner's off, and we'll get these over on a plate. I'll do it myself this time. And that, my friends, is how you cook scallops. So that's an example of a video that, and I think I probably will upload that one. Making a YouTube channel gives me a chance to practice my Toastmaster skills, because I get to talk and try to talk without filler words and try to make it interesting and make my videos for a certain group of people that like to watch either gardening or cooking or both. And sometimes I just talk and show things about my life. I try not to get too personal, but I really enjoy making YouTube videos, and I upload about anywhere from 1 to 5 or 6 videos every week, either long videos that are anywhere from 3 to 4 to 20, occasionally longer minute videos. And then sometimes I do shorts, which have to be 58 seconds or less. And it's very important to me to be doing that. Back to you, Mr. Toastmaster.
Thank you very much, Darlene. Very, very interesting.